Tired of being stuck in one position all day? This PUTORSEN sit stand desk mount promises to revolutionize your workspace, but can it actually deliver on that promise? Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the build quality feels solid. It's a combination of durable steel and aluminum, which gives you confidence that it can handle the weight it's rated for. The setup is pretty straightforward, and you have two mounting options: a robust C-clamp that fits desks up to over 3 inches thick, or a grommet mount for a cleaner look if your desk has a hole. Both seem incredibly secure, which is crucial when you're dealing with a monitor and a keyboard tray. The real magic here is the pneumatic spring technology. Transitioning from sitting to standing is surprisingly smooth and quick. No more wrestling with stiff levers or complicated adjustments. It genuinely makes it easy to change your posture throughout the day, which I found made a noticeable difference in reducing fatigue. Now, let's talk about the integrated keyboard tray. It's not just an afterthought. It comes with a padded wrist rest that's a lifesaver during long typing sessions. Plus, the built-in cable management is a godsend. It keeps all those unsightly wires tucked away neatly, making the whole setup look much cleaner and more professional. The adjustability is where this mount truly shines. You can tilt, swivel, and rotate both the monitor arm and the keyboard tray to find that perfect ergonomic sweet spot. Whether you're watching a video, typing an email, or in a video call, you can get the angles just right without any strain. The monitor arm supports up to about 20 pounds, and the keyboard tray handles around 2 pounds, which is plenty for most setups. The PUTORSEN mount comes with everything you need, including all the mounting hardware. They also mention a 24/7 professional service team, which is always reassuring to have. Overall, if you're looking to improve your comfort and productivity at your desk, this PUTORSEN sit-stand desk mount is a seriously strong contender. It's well-built, incredibly easy to adjust, and brings a much-needed element of flexibility to your workday. It's a fantastic upgrade for any home or office setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.